Thursday, March the 26th, 2009, I posted anachronism number 900, number 908. Mark this. Sneezing into the crook of my arm, I accidentally skip a stanza. So, I come here to edit an ahistorical moment. A repetition, sure, with disregard to intellect. And as such, I backtrack, sure. I mimicked a swoon with relevance. At home, I doing 1,000 things at once. Eating all of the grapes. Mark this. The ferry building, a summer escape, and the definition of quagmire. And furthermore, I get away with it. Eating grapes, a stale cashew. Mark this.